Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans finished lower on Thursday. There were some conflicting signals about trade during the session from China, but for now, the United States and China are still scheduled to meet later on this month. Weekly old crop export sales on beans were a net reduction following a big cancellation by China, and new crop sales weren't really anything to write home about. Corn ended the session modestly higher after an up and down day with drier weather expected in parts of the eastern Corn Belt. Weekly export sales on corn also bearish, lower than expected, with just a couple of weeks left in the current marketing year. Chicago and Minneapolis wheat were down. Kansas City was up modestly, all basically taking the path of least resistance. Weekly export sales for wheat were good, but that's expected to slow down as the world harvest advances. Live cattle were mixed, waiting for the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business after that light trade on Wednesday. Feeder cattle were higher, continuing their oversold bounce. Box beef was higher at midday on Thursday. And hogs ended the session lower on a lack of follow-through buying after a higher start, in addition to the recent lower trend in pork. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.